hello. Today we're going to be talking about post-op garments. Did we go home in one of these and you're told to take a shower after your surgery and you don't know what you're really supposed to do afterwards or how to put this on back properly? It can be kind of confusing if you've never had surgery before. We're going to go over step by step how to do that. After you get home, you don't want to shower in your binder. You obviously want to take this off. You want to take everything off. Usually we recommend facing away from the shower depending on the surgery you have. Definitely for tummy tucks and liposuction, you're going to take this off day 1 for your showers or day 2 depending on what you want and what the surgeon recommends. So take that off and then we're going to show you how to put this back on properly to get the right compression that you need to heal properly. All right, so this garment is gonna be what you have on after surgery. It's usually gonna be placed right here on your abdomen. Some patients get a little confused depending on how long your torso is and the way that your bottom is as well. It could be a short binder or a long binder. We usually normally pick that the day of your pre-op just by looking at the patient. So today we're gonna demonstrate on Stephanie how to put this on because some patients get a little confused and either they're wearing it too high and it can rub against your breast. And if you also have a double surgery with like a breast augmentation and a tummy tuck or liposuction, you're rubbing and causing friction, which we don't want to have to make that incision look or hurt. So I'm going to show you how to put this on today to give you the best compression. It's not the most comfortable thing, but it's going to give you your best results. So we definitely recommend wearing this for at least 4 to 6 weeks post-op surgery. And we can also go over things with you when you get those sutures out and your drains, and we can tell you what kind of garment to transition to. But for now, 4 to 6 weeks with your binder. Okay, so this binder is a 2-panel binder. She has a shorter torso. If her torso was longer, we'd probably do a 3-panel binder. So what you're gonna do is if you're with someone at home, you're gonna have them help you, or worst case scenario, if you don't, I usually recommend patients laying on their bed and then putting it on while they're laying down. So today for Stephanie, let's just say she just had surgery. I'm gonna come behind her right here, right above the rib cage here. These binders go from bottom to top. They should be going that way to help you get your breast compression. So the bottom to the top, okay? And for most tummy tucks and your liposuction cases, you're gonna have post-operative swelling. So the important thing to do is actually get it over this hip. It will lay over your buttocks. You wanna make sure you get enough compression where it's comfortable, but not too tight. So you're gonna try to pull it over to this area, right where the other chest line is here. You want it to be over this part because this part will usually swell as well with gravity. And then for the top part, you just right here, and then you pull over again to right here. You don't want this to be too constrictive because then you're gonna not feel very comfortable. But this is the best way to wear your compression garment. It is not the most comfortable, but I actually think once you start to wear it and you understand how to put it on, you'll actually love this and it'll become your best friend. The reason why we have patients in these garments, some people forget why we're giving you this. We wanna make sure that your body contour stays nice and snatched. You also don't want to have any types of fluid collections. These rarely ever happen, but when you're walking around the house, you want to have this here because it actually makes you feel better and supported. This just helps you feel comfortable. This allows the swelling to calm down, and it allows you to be mobile without causing yourself any more harm than it needs. If you have any more questions about our garments and what to wear for afterwards, we're here for you. We also have other options as well if you don't like this binder. But again, it is very important to wear a post-op compression for 4 to 6 weeks post-surgery for the best result. Bye. Bye.